Hi, this is Austin from Gamma plus StyleCraft, and today I'm here to talk to you about one of our highest anticipated releases ever, along with a couple of new blades and a new foil assembly. So let's get right to it as usual. This clipper, very exciting for us. What's really unique about Gamma Plus and StyleCraft, specifically Gamma Plus, is a lot of brands typically always launch new products first in the US. With Gamma Plus, you're gonna find sometimes actually that products are launched first overseas. So that's happened a couple times in the past, and this latest product has already launched all over Europe and crushed it. Sold out again and again. They are completely sold out right now. And finally, as of this June 2022, we will be launching in the United States, and that is the Gamma Plus Boosted Clipper. So this is a really special clipper, similar to one of our hottest selling clippers right now under StyleCraft, the Rebel. So the Rebel we launched about 6 months ago. Started off good, but a little bit slow for one of our launches. Usually we sell out before something even launches, which that clipper didn't. And then boy, did the Rebel take off like wildfire. So that's become our hottest, most popular clipper. And now we have the Gamma Plus Boosted, which is similar in a lot of ways to the Rebel. So super excited to share this one with you today. Of course, the beautiful Gamma Plus package, showing all the different design elements, features, benefits, everything that makes the Rebel so special. But really, there's one thing in our opinion that just makes the Rebel one of the best, actually really the best clipper in the world right now, and that is the super torque, super powerful motor. So this is one of the, if not the most powerful clipper on the planet, but with a really lightweight design. So you'll notice the Boosted actually comes in different colors than typically for Gamma Plus. So usually for Gamma Plus, we've done the gold, the chrome, and the rose gold. Then we went to matte versions of those colors, and now with the Boosted, we're introducing our new colors, which you've got the red and the black. I think that's one of the favorites for all of us is red and black. We've got then also the all matte black murdered out, which can never go wrong with that, and then gold and black as well. So three really beautiful colors, our new Gamma Plus colorways for 2022. We'll see what else we got in store. But really the response on this product and the colors has been outstanding. It does come in the box with our Dubs double magnetic guards, all 8 included. You've got the charging cord, you've got the stand, you've got the stretch bracket, and the different color levers. So a lot of that, I think anyone that's been rolling with Gamma Plus and StyleCraft used to all those awesome bells and whistles that really no one in the industry does anything like. But now what no one in the industry really has anything like is the power and performance of some of our latest and greatest clippers, like the StyleCraft Apex, the StyleCraft Rebel, and now the Gamma Plus Boosted. So here you have it, a ton of juice, power, and torque. Impossible to stop these blades. Couple differences compared to the Rebel. The Rebel does have the fusion blade. The Gamma Plus Boosted does have the fade blade. So that is one of the differences. Definitely our 2 most popular blades, honestly, are pretty much 50-50. Half the people prefer the fusion, half the people, or the Vapor now, half the people prefer the fade blade. You can't go wrong. They're both our most popular. They're both excellent blades. 2 of the best clipper blades in the industry. I know a lot of people put our clipper blades on a lot of other brands' clippers even, because they are so good. The Gamma Plus Boosted does come with our deep, slim cutting blade, and that blade is a game changer. Can't keep that bad boy in stock. Been flying off the shelf, so it is assembled with the fade blade. So a little bit of difference there with the blades, but same incredible performance. The shape is a little bit different as well. So you'll notice this is a little bit more of a boxy shape, which for a lot of people, this feels better in the hand. The Rebel's a little bit more rounded and has a little bit more of a thumb indent. So that's really the difference of the shape. It's gonna come down to preference. So, you know, here we love the guys at Rum Barber. They're just do an amazing job with the reviews and the content, the special effects. I mean, the guys make movies just about. And it's funny because Paul, for example, his favorite clipper right now is the Rebel. Joseph, for example, his is the Boosted. So it's just going to come down to the colors, the shape, the blade you prefer, and you can't go wrong. So really nice design. The other thing that's different about the Boosted, you've got the super torque motor along the side, the logo there, and then you do have the different lights as well, the different LED lights to show when it's charging, when the battery's low, etc. So really quick, you know the drill. Gonna run through the benefits on the box. So it's got the tight or stretch taper length mods, super torque motor, the game changer, 3 interchangeable lids, now the different new Gamma colors, including red and black, hottest colors in the world right now, black diamond carbon DLC blade, 7,200 RPM rotary super torque motor, customizable click or floating levers. Of course, our blades are always adjustable and can be zero gapped. A 3-hour lithium-ion runtime battery. Don't forget, micro USB chargeable, and then the double magnetic guards and the stand. And once you have a stand with the clipper, you really never need to charge because you use it. Whenever you stop, boom, pop it in the stand. By the time you're using it again, you're fully charged back up. So really convenient as well. And of course, all that stuff's included. So that is the Boosted. It is shipping in June, so in just a couple days. Actually, let you guys in on a little secret. These got here early, so we just started shipping these now, and I will tell you they are going to go fast. So Boosted is here. Next item we're going to talk about are our gold XPro blades. So we've got bringing back the blade sets by popular demand. So we do still sell our blades individually, but we are bringing back some blade sets as well. So we've got our gold XPro wide blade and our gold XPro classic blade. So 2 different sets coming in StyleCraft and Gamma Plus, and these bad boys are game changers again. Really, really sharp, really, really smooth. So with this new XPro sharpening, it's a whole new sharpening process. It's a special Japanese convex and hollow grinding process that creates a perfectly balanced blade with superior sharpness. So one of our guys, JJ Beard Barber, just put out a barber with these blades just smacking. We put it on our brand new TikTok channel. Just started up our TikTok for Gamma and StyleCraft Pro. That video with these blades has over 1 million views, 1.3 million views in less than a week. The reason why is how darn good these things cut. They just slap, slappers. So these are here, shipping right now. Last item we're gonna talk about today is our new Uno slick foil. So the Uno shaver, our most popular shaver, the only professional single foil shaver in the world. We released the slick foils for the Prodigy shaver, and it took the Prodigy, which was a good shaver, and made it excellent, one of the top shavers in the world. So we said, hey, why not do slick foils for our Zero, which we have now, and finally for the Uno as well. So these just came in stock and shipping as well. The Uno, which was already the best single foil shaver, just got even better with the slick foil, which allows for really, really close cutting, really, really smooth shaving, and better feeding of the hair. So a lot of people do prefer the slick foils to our conventional foils. They are now here and available for the Uno. So that's it. We took a break from the drops. You guys said too many drops. Pump the brakes. We did it, but we're back better than ever with the Gamma Plus Boosted, the Uno slick foils, and then of course our gold XPro blades. So new drops meet the world, world meet our new drops.